Let's see what this group has to offer. Have you ever faced a difficulty in seeing someone else's document during a screen sharing process? Don't forget to thank the presenter for zooming in or out of the worksheet. You can zoom in or out of the worksheet with the zoom slider available at the bottom right corner of the Excel screen. Or you can activate the View tab and click on Zoom option to do the same. A dialog box appears with a list of zooming percentages on the screen. Go ahead and help yourself. Sometimes the data in the worksheet appears too tiny or too large. In such cases, activate the View tab and click on the 100% option. This will bring back your data size to normal. The Zoom to Selection option in the Zoom group allows you to increase or decrease the size of a selected area, helping you to get a better view.